What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video we are going to do a spying session on Clickbank and Facebook ads. So let's dive in.
Hey there, Stanley here from Team Deberoo, and I've got some exciting news for you. The Deberoo suite is now live with an all-round affiliate marketing software platform. And to celebrate this, we want to give you a very special offer. You can get 40% off of your first month using the software, and to top it all off, we'll throw in an advanced course of choice. So keep your learning going, increase your profit, and make sure to go to the link below in the description because there are only limited places. Good luck.
Alright, so I am inside of the dashboard of Clickbank, and you can see the results of our top student Tom right here, who is really pushing hard on his results. Look at that, that's awesome. Current week already over $10,000 in profits. Last week 12.8 thousand. So really a lot of very good progress on Tom's side. You can see the daily sales snapshot as well. So 1.5, 2.2, 1.8k, 1.6, 2.9, almost $3,000 profit on Wednesday in just one single day. That's awesome. So in this session we are going to do some spying, and we're going to see if we can find some ads that might have the same kind of potential in them. Alright, so I'm going into Visto, the Facebook spy tool, and we're gonna check out some ads right here. So when we press affiliates, we can check this checkbox right here that says Clickbank, and this will let us see all Clickbank ads that are found out there with Visto. So let's take a look. Let's start right here. Best simple do-it-yourself. Battery manufacturers don't want you to know this. A battery expert is revealing his secret on how he never buys new batteries. Find out how to do the same by clicking learn more. Alright, so let's talk about this ad right away. It seems like this affiliate is promoting it in multiple geos, UK, Canada, and international. So let's start with the image, alright? So let's open it up, and we're gonna start talking about this image. So what I like about the image is that there is quite some bright colors being used. It is vague, but at the same time you know what it's about, right? We all know, okay, it's something to do with the battery, and it kind of looks like he's using a jump cable to get his battery on again. However, it's not a other car battery. No, it's just a simple AA or AAA battery that is connected to the what looks like car battery. So that is a little bit strange, and then there is a circle with red arrows right at this point, but it's not exactly clear what it's pointing at. So therefore, it creates a lot of curiosity, which is good. We want to create curiosity, and the user usually looks at the image or video before they start reading. So when this image creates curiosity like it does, then the user starts reading. Battery manufacturers don't want you to notice. That is a good statement to open with, because that reveals that it's a secret. So it's something that they haven't learned yet, that they haven't seen yet before. So that is a good start. A battery expert is revealing his secret on how he never buys new batteries. Find out how to do the same by clicking learn more. Okay, so I feel like that this affiliate might have took the easy route. Alright, so you could have done more. It could have been a little bit longer for sure, and try to make some story out of it. Eventually we cannot afford to be cheap on our copywriting, because this is really where you really drive the attention of the user into the right way and into your offer. So you kind of want to maybe create a story, all right? So maybe create it, make it personal. Say something like, I used to buy so many batteries. I think I spent over $100 a month buying new batteries over and over again, but they wouldn't last until I found this secret method, and now I never buy batteries again because I just recharge them, blah, 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 blah. Create a story around it, but don't give away the actual secret yet, all right? So create a story, but make the user curious about what the actual solution is. So don't tell the solution, but do tell the story around it. All right, so could have done a lot more on the copywriting. The image is pretty good though. Let's see what else we have. Let's go to another vertical. What is this? This is not a battery. So this one uses a video. Let's just check out the video real quick. Won't start. Let me turn that sound off. Dead. Yep, your battery's dead. Reconditioned. All right. So videos are usually back to life. Awesome. So videos are usually a little bit more, a little bit better because it creates a little bit more interest. If there's something that happens, an image is just an image. It doesn't move. But as soon as something moves, it's a human response to check it out. Like, what's happening? Okay, something is moving. Okay, I gotta watch it. All right. So videos are usually a pretty good take. And if you look at this copy, this is a way longer copy. So let's actually check it out. I know I said let's go to another vertical, but I kind of want to see you, I want to show you the difference between a short copy and a longer copy. Last week when the battery in my car died, so this is storytelling, he's telling it in the I form, which is good. Last week when the battery in my car died, I was not happy. The frustration, cost, and hassle of replacing the old, used batteries had me totally frazzled. Long story short, I did manage to get the battery replaced eventually, but all the time I was thinking there's just gotta be a better way to do this. Then a few days later, still hurting from the price of that new battery, a friend of mine happened to mention that he had found a way to recondition all types of old batteries. Now that got my attention, especially when he said it works on car batteries, cell phones, laptops, flashlights, power tools, and even old marine batteries. It sounded too good to be true, but I decided to give it a look anyway. And here's what I found. There is a simple battery reconditioning method anyone can use to bring old batteries back to life. And I can see how it's gonna save me hundreds of dollars in new and replacement battery costs over the years, not to mention all ... All right, so you can see the difference of the setup of this copywriting, right? It is a story, that's first. Also, what's going on here, which is very, very nice. This part. It sounded too good to be true, but I decided to give it a look anyway. This is taking the user, knowing what the user thinks, and taking that knowledge into your story to create a short-like story, all right? Because a lot of users will read this and think, that's too good to be true. You cannot recondition a dead battery. It's just not possible. There are a lot of people that are going to think that. But by the fact that you mention it, that you say, at first it looked too good to be true, then you basically say to the user, I was in the same shoes as you are right now. I had the same doubts as you are having right now, but I decided to give it a go, and look where I'm at now. That's the feeling that you want to create, because that will create even more curiosity by the user. They feel understand. They feel like, oh, this guy is sincere. This guy really knows what I'm experiencing and how I'm feeling about it. So you know what? Doesn't hurt to check it out. Very good, very nice. And like I said, the storytelling is also very, very good. Now, I am not a big fan of this part, not to mention all and then a T and nothing there. So usually if you want to do this, that's fine. I would personally say, okay, put ... at the end. So that it looks like it's actually continuing. However, on Facebook, I would say it doesn't add a lot if you put in the ... or stop in the middle of a sentence. I would just stop after your last sentence. That's it. That's what I personally would do. However, some affiliates like to work with the ... or with this part. I don't see how it's going to help you personally, but I've never tested it, so I don't know if it brings you better results or not. I can't imagine, but maybe it works. So maybe do a split test. Maybe make 2 ads, one with the ... and one just ending after a sentence, and see what is working better. Look, this one is exactly the same. All right, let's see. What else do we have? I promised another vertical, so let's do another vertical. Let's do a short one. All right, Yoga Burn. Yoga Burn has quite some different ads already. Let's. I don't know if it's an affiliate though, so let's keep on looking. All right. Self-healing cure from nature. I can't tell anything about this 60-second morning routine to regulate blood sugar. My daughter, who has type 2 diabetes, was unexpectedly dizzy and frustrated on a very hot day. We sat her down immediately and everyone went for some juice. It always left us both shaken, nervous, and feeling powerless, even though we have been through circumstances like this before. In this journal, we've tried every diet, drug, and therapy, but no success. I was deeply nervous about the risks. While the meds should have benefited her, any benefits was offset by the side effects. I realized that I had to come up with a plan now. I've been thinking, is there a normal way to disorder? The disorder can be reversed. Manage that not just for another band-aid pharmaceutical. I began to study ways of regulating insulin tolerance and swings in blood sugar. The results were life-changing and successful. She was able to eat carbohydrates and all her favorite foods again. Regain so another end sentence stopped there. Although I think it might have to do with Visto if I look at it this way, but okay. Let's take a look at the video. Like I said, videos are always a very good way to promote on Facebook. There's not a whole lot happening, but still it's better than just a picture, and it's vague enough to be like, what is happening, all right? Look, it's red. There's a foot going up or something, and boom, it's green. But what just happened? What just happened? I cannot tell you. However, it is still a pretty good video. I would have used personally something that's a little bit more brighter, that pops out a little bit more. But overall, it's a pretty good video. And once again, if we look at the copywriting, it's once again a storytelling type of advertising. It's the I form, or at least the I form. When I say the I form, I don't mean like the person from whose perspective it is suffering from the disease or whatever, because that's not the case. We know that. It's the mother of. But it's her story about helping her daughter find the right solution. So it's still a very personal story where a lot of users will basically, feel that, all right? So that is gonna be it for this video. I hope it was very useful and that you can improve your copywriting skills for your Clickbank Facebook ads, marketing campaigns, affiliate marketing campaigns. So I hope you can use all this information for your copywriting, and I will catch you next time. Until then, peace out.